asexual reproduction of penicillium. During the favorable conditions, the penicillium mycelium participated in asexual reproduction. During the asexual reproduction, they can produce conidiums. In this reproduction, the spores are called conidiums. Conidiums are spores. They are spheroidal in structure. The penicillium asexual reproduction participated in favorable conditions. During the favorable conditions, from the mycelium, vegetative mycelium or vegetative fungal hyphae, aerial stalk-like structures are developed. See, these are the aerial stalk-like structures. The aerial stalk-like structures are called conidiopores. Conidiopores. On this conidiopore, flask-like structures are developed. Flower-wise or flask-like structures are developed. The flask-like structures are called medullae. On this medullae, second tier of flask-like structures are developed, or flower vase-like structures are developed. They called sterigmata or pellolids. Sterigmata or pellolids. On this sterigma, on this pellolids, spheroidal structure spores are developed. The spheroidal structure spores are called conidiums. The conidiums are developed in basipetal manner. Basipetal manner means first developed spores are far from the sterigmata. Early developed spores are above the sterigmata. So this development is called basipetal development or basipetal succession development. During the favorable conditions, from the mycelium, aerial stalk-like structures are developed. The aerial stalk-like structures are called conidiopores. On this conidiopore, flower vase-like structures are developed. The flower vase-like structures are called medullae. Above these medullae, another flower vase-like structures are developed. Another flower vase-like structures are called sterigmata or pylorids. Sterigmatas are produce spheroidal structure spores. The spheroidal structure spores are called conidiums. Conidium are developed in basipetal manner. Basipetal manner means first developed spores or conidiums are far from the sterigmata. Early developed spores or conidiums are near from the sterigmata. This arrangement or development is called basipetal manner. See, during the asexual reproduction of penicillium, more number of conidiopores are developed. The more number of conidiopores are developed from the mycelium. From this conidiopore, sterigmatas are developed. The sterigmatas are in flower vase-like structure. The sterigmatas are produced conidia or conidiospores. They are developed in basipetal manner. Finally, from the mycelium in favorable condition, more number of conidiospores. On the conidiospores, flower vase-like structures are developed in a tire-like structures. Here it is the first tire, it is the second tire, it is the third tire. First tire of flask-like structures or flower vase-like structures are called rami. Second tire of flower vase-like structures are called medullae. Upper tier or third tier of flower vase-like structures are called pellolides or sterigmata. From these sterigmatas, conidias are developed. Finally, this total structure look like a paintbrush structure. See, it is handle, paintbrush handle. These are the paintbrush airs-like structures. Finally, at the matured stage of asexual reproduction of penicillium, this shows paintbrush structure. So the paintbrush structure appeared during the asexual reproduction. The paintbrush structure is also called penicillium structure. Penicillium. Penicillium means paintbrush structure. During the asexual reproduction, development of flower vase-like structures on the conidiopore. Development of flower vase-like structure on the conidiopore. They are classified into three types. One is monoverticellate. Second one is biverticellate. Third one is multiverticellate. See, first we discussed about monoverticellate. Monoverticellate means on the conidiopore, only single tier of flower vase-like structures are developed. Only single tier of flower vase-like structures are developed. From these flower vase-like structures, conidiums are developed. Conidia are developed. This development of asexual reproduction is called monoverticellate. Mono means single tier of flower vase-like structures. Single tier of sterigmatas are developed. The single tier of sterigmatas developed on the conidiophore is called monoverticellate. Second one is biverticellate. Biverticellate means on the conidiospore, first tier of flower vase-like structures are called medullae. From this medullae, again second tier of flower vase-like structures are developed. The second tier of flower vase-like structures are called sterigmata. From this sterigmata, conidias are developed. From this sterigmata, conidias are developed. See, here it is two types of sterigmatas. First tier of sterigmatas are called medullae. Second tier of sterigmatas are produce conidia. How many tiers of sterigmatas? Here it is two tiers of sterigmatas. This development of asexual reproduction is called biverticellate. Biverticellate type of asexual reproduction. And third one is multiverticellate asexual reproduction. Multiverticellate means on the conidiospore, means type on the conidiospore, first tier of branches, first tier of flower vase-like structures. First tier of flower vase-like structure is called rami. On this flower vase-like structure, on this rami, second tier of flower vase-like structures are developed. They called medullae. On this medullae, sterigmatas, third tier of flower vase-like structures are developed. They called sterigma. Sterigmata. On this sterigmata, conidias are developed. See, here it is first tier sterigmata. Below the sterigmata, medulla. Below the medullae, rami. are present. First tier, second tier, third tier. Sometimes more tiers also developed. They called multi. More than 2 tiers of branches. More than 2 tiers of branches are developed. Is called multiverticillate. On these terminal sterigmatas, conidias are developed. The sterigmatas are produced conidia. Here it is, the conidias are developed in basipetal manner. Basipetal manner means first developed spores are far from the sterigmata and early developed spores are near the sterigmata. See, here it is, during the development of spores or conidia, on the terminal part of sterigma, one nuclei is present. Around the nuclei, one cytoplasm, some cytoplasm is formed. That cytoplasm is covered with cytoplasm and nucleus covered with cell wall, and it convert into spores. The spores are called conidia. Here it is, more number of conidias are developed during the asexual reproduction. Finally, we observed in monoverticillate, in biverticillate, in multiverticillate, the penicillium fungi look like a paintbrush structure. The paintbrush structure is also called in Greek word penicillium. Paintbrush structure will clearly identify during the asexual reproduction of penicillium. The spores are released from the sterigmata. They are moved by wind and landing on the moisture surface. They are developed into new mycelium of penicillin. New mycelium of penicillium. It is a asexual reproduction of penicillium. Monoverticillate, biverticillate, multiverticillate. Paintbrush like structures are developed during the asexual reproduction.